I'm Lee Hunton. I'm Managing Director here at MPC Machined Precision Components. We're a subcontract machine shop based here in Hunton, Norfolk. We've been going for 18 years. We work in a variety of industries, electronics, automation, lots of different sectors of those. Oil and gas we touch on, and we'll do everything from a one-off prototype to a long run of large batch jobs. Well, I've been in engineering for 35 years. I've worked on Hurcos for most of that time. I think I've worked on most of the controls out there, but Hurco is by far the best, most user-friendly. It's the fastest one to learn, and with the type of work that we do, from small batch and prototypes, it's easily the fastest for getting from start to cutting a component. I don't think there's anything quicker out there. We have one of the issues that we have in Norfolk certainly is there is a shortage of skilled engineers, certainly with a lot of experience. So what we prefer to do is actually take on apprentices ourselves, train them up the way we want to. Most of those are obviously young people, and young people seem to pick up the Hurco control extremely quickly. It takes a little bit longer to get the actual technical machining experience into them. But the actual control side, they pick it up very quickly, and we get a bang for a buck a lot quicker. Like anywhere, you get some teething problems on new machines, so you might have some issues, but we've always found Hurco to be pretty good with the service side and with the apps guys. It's all about relationships. We build up a good relationships. I think we know most of the service guys and most of the apps guys now, so I even know within Hurco which apps guy I'd want to talk to about a particular problem. Somebody like Paul, or there's 2 or 3 there that I know I can go to and get a quick answer, and they don't mind giving you their mobiles if you want to text them a quick problem, so it's pretty good in that way. We've looked at 2 or 3 of the new machines that they've brought out. We're quite interested in their live tooling lathes that are now coming on board. That's definitely a possibility for the future. We're also, I would like to get one of their twin column machines in the future, because we still get a request from customers for bigger parts than we can cope with. And I think the twin column machines would probably cover that. But they're a bit further down the line, I think, but they're definitely something we want to look at in the future. Well, the Hurco control is probably much better now than it's ever been before, because the screen itself is a lot bigger. It's a really user-friendly control. This one particularly has got a twin screen, so you can have the graphics operating alongside your programming. But even the single screen ones work pretty well with the interface between the two. It's, like I said before, it's by far the easiest one to pick up. It's very quick. You can be programming and cutting metal within 5 minutes. All your tools are already in the library usually, so once you've been running the machine for a little while, you're up and running very quickly, and for the sort of work we do, that's ideal. There's very little setup time. We always explore the market whenever we're buying a new machine, but as things stands, it will always be Hurco for us, because while their product and their pricing is as good as it is, we wouldn't consider other ones.